on. All right, so I started charging. It will take me 20 minutes. This is fast. This is going to be fast. If it's going to take me 20 minutes to charge to 90% from 49%, this is going to be super fast. Super fast. Look at how fast this is going. I think it's probably going to stop. Okay, that's where it's going to stop. That's where it's going to stop. Yep, that's a GT right there, the Marquee GT. The owner just plugged in. I think Marquee has the plug-in in charge. You don't want to have to do anything, but my car doesn't have that feature, unfortunately. And right now it is charging at 198 kilowatt. That's the fastest I think I've experienced since my road trip yesterday. The Marquee just pulled up, about to leave. There's a DC. All right, I'm about to go. All right, so now I'm on I-85 South. I have 89% state of charge. I'm driving on highway driving assistant right now, and I do currently have 217 miles estimated range. My next stop will be Electrify America in Greensboro. Yes, Greensboro. And I have, let's see, $86 miles to go. I mean 88 miles, 88.6 miles to go. So I'll be back with 75% and 50% update. See you and enjoy the view. All right, guys, it is pouring down here. Heavy downpour in Oxford, North Carolina. You can see it is pouring. I couldn't see anything. All of a sudden, I mean, at the red stop over there when I approached there. So right now it just cleared out a little bit, but before I couldn't see anything. And let's see if the highway driving assistant still, I mean, it's working fine. The highway driving assistant is doing its job because it's using the sensor and the cameras. So I guess the cameras can still see. My eyes can't see that far, but I guess the cameras and the sensor can see. So right now, as you can see, no issue right now. Even with that, it is still driving, so I had to slow down because, man, that car was just rolling. The car was just rolling, like kept going. So I just need to be careful. Watch out for this Volvo. That's a school bus all the way in the front. Now he's all right. I don't think the car can see that. So, dude, relax, man. Anyway, yeah, it is pouring down. I could not see anything. Well, I mean, I can see a little bit 2 feet away, but man, yeah, I need to relax because these guys are driving. All right, I'll be back once the road clears out. Alright, so the route planner has updated, and now I will ride with 41%. So I will arrive at Electrify America in Greensboro with 41% instead of a 33%. So so right now I have 146 miles to go, and it's still showing Electrify America. Oh, it said nearby. So let me see what where it's gonna show the next. Let's see. So right now here is my electricity information right here. So I've been using 92%, 2% climate control, 2% electronics, and 4% battery care. So most of it is done with from my driving. So I was doing great. I'm currently not doing well with the range right now. I'm doing an average of 2.4 miles per kilowatt hour. So and this because of the rain. Rain do affect the range of electric vehicles. So it is what it is. You know, you just have to keep driving and find yourself a next charging station. So all right, I guess that's it. I will come back with 75% update in about a couple of minutes. So I'll be right back. All right, welcome back. I just arrived Durham, and I arrived with a 75% in Durham, and doing an average of 2.5 miles per kilowatt hour. Drop the speed right down. Right now I currently have 171 miles estimated range, and I have 133 miles to go, and my next stop will be Electrify America in Greensboro at Walmart. So this is the current electricity use. Car is doing good, not as good as it should be, but the range is affected because of the rain, so it is pouring down. So right now I'm just trying to take it easy. I don't want to crash my car, because if that happens, I'm gonna cry. So yeah, you know what I'm saying, going my cry, I guess. Anyway, yeah. So I will be back with another 25% update, and that will be at 50%. According to the route planner, I will arrive with 42. Now it went to 42. It was showing 41 earlier. Now it's showing 42. So it is. I mean, the car is doing really great. It's really efficient. So I'll be back with 25% update, which is 50%. All right, enjoy the view. All right, welcome back. I am on I-85, still on I-85 to Charlotte. So the battery preconditioning just came on. So and it is still raining, pouring down. I have 3.5 miles to go to reach the destination, charging destination. Electrify America, and I have 80.7 miles to go to get home. So, and I've been doing an average of 2.7 miles per kilowatt hour. And the highway driving assistant has been doing great. It's been doing great. I mean, I've been doing a couple of stuff, posting videos, and while I'm driving, just making sure. And I'm just looking forward just to make sure, you know, the car doesn't sway, or whenever it needs me to hold the steering, I do that. But I'm approaching the next 2 charging stops, and I will be going. And this will be the first time using this charging station. I always drive past because I don't think I need to. And usually during the summer, I don't think I need to. So. Alright, so I will be there at the charging station. I'll see you there at the charging station.
Waypoint 1 is ahead. There is an... Turn right and then turn right.
What the fuck? All right, so I arrived with let's see here, let me turn it back on again. So I arrived with 48%, and it predicted that I will arrive with 40. Well, just updated that I arrived 48. Actually, they said I arrived with 41 or 42. It's kept updating 45 now. I've been doing really great. I arrived with 99 miles. Estimated range, I was doing an average of 2.7 miles per kilowatt hour. So let me go ahead and plug this in. All right, so let's go in. Okay, let's go. Uh-oh, just have a screen problem. All right, let's see here. I got charger number 3. All right. Got a couple of cars here. Mustang Marquee. Looks nice and black. That's a standard range. You can tell by the wheels. And it's number 2. Hold on a second. No, number 3. I need number 3. It is still pouring down. So let me go ahead and... So go ahead and start charging. Yep. And this is a Signet. Oh yeah, Signet, of course. Alright. Should be finished charging now. Got a Marquee GT pulling in. That's an i3. It looks nice. Nice rims. All blacked out. EQS on the other side. Marquee on this side. I saw Kia EV6 earlier on my way here. About a few minutes ago. The GT line. Alright, so I started charging. It will take me 20 minutes. This is fast. This is going to be fast. If it's going to take me 20 minutes to charge to 90% from 49%, this is going to be super fast. Super fast. Look at how fast this is going. I think it's probably going to stop. Okay, that's where it's going to stop. That's where it's going to stop. Yep, that's a GT right there, the Marquee GT. The owner just plugged in. I think Marquee has the plug-in and charge. You don't want to have to do anything, but my car doesn't have that feature, unfortunately. And right now it is charging at 198 kilowatt. That's the fastest I think I've experienced since my road trip yesterday. The Marquee just pulled up, about to leave. There's a DC. All right, I'm about to go and throw some trash away in the trash can. I'll be right back. All right, let me go ahead and close this. So I was able to charge from, I can't see the percentage. I believe it was what, 49% or something like that, to 90%. It took, man, I can't even see it. I suck. Let me check the phone. So Ioniq 5 here. The EQS is still here. The Marquee left. So let's see here. So I was able to add 35.008 kilowatt hour from 48. That's what it is, 48% to 90%. And it only took how many minutes? 22 minutes. So, and I had to wait a little bit for idling, but it's okay. Grace period I have I used for, well, I don't know how long, but I was the maximum charging speed was 98 kilowatt. So now it's time to go home. It's time to go home. So let me see what I have left now, because I know I don't have much left. So let's see here. Let's see. I think it's plans. So it says I have a year. I don't have that much left anymore. I know that. Let me go back. I think I can find out. I think it's on the charging history. No. I think I have to look at. Is it? No, it's not payment. Is it premium offers? No. I don't know how I was able to figure it out, but it was, I think it was on the charging history. Okay, so I've already used about well, this was total 1,020 kilowatt, and this probably include the extra ones that I had before. So, but I don't know. I'll see. I still got a lot. till next year. Yep, April next year. And all right, it's time for me to go home. I am anxious. My kids are waiting to see me and wife. So kids are waiting to see, looking forward to see me, daddy. Disregard that service required. The car was serviced. Okay, I just don't feel like taking it back to the dealer for them to fix their mistake. All right, please don't worry about that. The car is serviced. They just didn't reset it. I tried to reset it. I just don't care about it. So car's running fine. I'm just not pressed to go do the, do all that reset. But I will take care of it. Right now I have 90%, and this is bad. 199 miles estimated range. This is not good. Anyway, right now current temperature is 59 degrees Fahrenheit. It is cold but rainy. And let's get on the road. I have 76.4 miles to go to get home, and I arrive 109. So let's go. Wow, the owner of the EQS is trying to charge 100%. This is 93%.
Turn right and then turn left.
Okay, let's see. Turn right, turn left. All right, so I am going home now. I'm going home. Finally going home.
Turn left and then turn right.
So
turn right onto West Elmsley Drive.
It's been a great drive trip, going to Maryland and coming back home. So it's been a great trip. So
in a quarter mile, turn right at the second road on
pleased with
Eugene Street.
With my route planning. So it was great. I just hope to Kia that can improve more on the software side of this route planner. Kia just needs to improve more of it. I think it will compete with the others like Tesla, Rivian,
miles, turn
and
right
others.
onto I-85 south.
So I forgot to say something. I was trying to say something, but I guess if I remember, I will report that.
Turn right onto I-85
I'll remember.
south.
All right. Anyway, I will be back with a 75% update, 50%. Actually, said I will arrive home with 48%. So, all right, getting back on the highway, and it's pouring down again. All right then. All right, welcome back. So I am home, finally arrived, and arrived at 1:03 p.m. and it was a long road trip, and but finally home. The charge, well, from Greensboro took me 75.4 miles. I was doing an average of 3.1 miles per kilowatt hour, and the total trip was an hour 10 minutes. So I came home with 59% and 122 miles remaining. So let's go to this right here. As you can see, the electricity used is the powertrain was using 93% of the time. The climate control was using 4%. The electronics were using 3%, and there's no battery here because there's no need for me to charge the car, so it doesn't need to precondition the battery. So yeah, that's it for I'll say a 2-day trip, and one way there, one way back, and I need to get some rest and then start working on these videos, the rest of it, and also watch the game. The Baltimore are playing the Chargers right now, the LA Chargers. So I hope they win. Go Ravens, and so that we can be the #1 seed in the AFC. So Miami took over last week, so hopefully they win today's game. I think Lamar Jackson might not be playing today because he might have got hurt or so, and Tyler Huntley might be playing. But either way, Tyler Huntley is still good. That's why they kept him. Okay, so I hope they win today's game. All right, and you know, is it Chargers or Rams? I believe they're playing the Rams. I'm sorry, they played the Chargers last week, so they're playing the Rams, the LA Rams. I apologize, they're playing the LA Rams. All right, so go Ravens, go Ravens, go Ravens. All right, so I'll see you in another video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. So check out my road trip videos on my EV6, accessory videos, charging session videos for my EV6, and other videos that I've made, motorcycle videos. I am waiting on my pre-order Death S2 Del Mar to be delivered probably next week. I spoke with a salesperson. The sales guru contacted me that my bike is being made right now. I hope the price is still going to be the same. There won't be no markup. If there's a markup, I am not getting the bike. I'm tired of paying markups. Okay, I should not pay one for this car, but I went and got it anyway. But that's another topic for another time. But I'm looking forward to getting my S2 Del Mar. Okay, they want me to come and get the launch edition, unless they weren't going to give me the price for the $15,499. I'm not getting it. Okay, because the guy sent me a picture of it. I just didn't have time. My schedule, work, and all that stuff, and I got other things I need to do, including this week's schedule that I just drove to Maryland. So I mean, that can't wait. That can always wait. All right, so thank you for watching. See you guys in another video. Thank you guys for your comment. So subscribe, and like the videos. See you in another video. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye bye.